Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. So today we are going to talk about this new app where you can earn $20 per hour for coding. So how it works is you download the app on Play Store. You use the referral code, my referral code. You enter. Make sure to use the referral code so that you can be able to get bonuses. And also, guys, you just call your friend. So if your friend is in the app, you just write his or her username. You just call him more than 10 minutes and submit that call to monetization. So how it works is they are training AI agents how to speak on how to know different languages, and so that they can train those AI agents. So your data will be sold to those company who want to buy. So how it works, it's very simple. They don't give out your information or your personal things. They just give out that call. So when you call, make sure to don't discuss anything personal or financial things or anything just personal. So the first thing is to you'll see the link in the description or in the comment, guys. This project people started joining this month. uh, the public phase it's currently now, so many people are trying to join. So you may find the app still lagging, or when you make a call it's not uh, working well, but hold on to this app so that you can be able to earn when you call. So you can see my dashboard. If you click on calls, you can search someone username. You can search my username here at spotlight01, and also my referral code is spotlight01. So you just click on call. Let me just click on call. If you click on call, you're going to see I will share this call with Manav at a 50-50 ratio. So how is it that? So if I call your friend, I'm going to earn $10 per hour, and he or she is going to earn $10 per hour. So if I just click on start call, after that call, um, let's say you have done a 10 minutes call. So most probably you'll get maybe like $1.5 or $2 for that call. And when you submit that call for monetization, that call will be monetized. They are going to check, then they are going to sell it. So on the when you create the dashboard, you'll see that there are high variable languages that are currently going. You can earn more using French. There are French, Spanish, Portuguese, English, and Arab, and there are more. So I think speaking in those languages will help you. So don't speak in your mother tongue. So always speak maybe in English, or just one time. Don't just do it mother tongue all the time. So how to register is very simple. And if you see, you'll see you're going to be paid in USDT. So you can see here your wallet here up. Click on wallet. You will see your wallet here. So when you start earning, you're going to see your payment there, even if it's $1, $20, $30, and you can request withdrawal. Also, when you submit your your call, you're going to see pending payout, how much you're going to be paid for that pending call. So let me walk you through on step to step guide on how to register this project. So now, so if you click the link in the description or in the comment, it will take you directly to Play Store. So what you need to do is install the app. So the app looks like this. Uh, what you need to do, don't use Google account, just input your email. So let me click this email like that. Then I click on submit. So when you submit, you're going to get a code. So a code is going to be sent from the email. So don't leave the actual app. You should wait for the code to pop up so that you can register. So after you put in your code, so you'll see pick a username. A username is your name. So I'll just put like um, Brian. I'll just put that as a username. So you just click on continue. So you have to choose date of birth, gender, and country. Just click on date of birth. You can choose that one. Let me choose a different year to, let me just put that way. So select a gender. You can select the male or female. Country, just select your country where you're from. If you are Afghanistan, just continue. Now, help us better understand your linguistic background. We love international users. So you should select your language. What languages do you speak? Where is your accent? And what directs you to speak? So click on languages. I would just choose any. Click on done. Then you can choose two and English. Just type English. Uh, English. Now you have choose your languages, select region, click on region, select that way. You can select any. Just select which is available on your country. Then click on continue. Have a referral code. Make sure to input this referral code. Click on, if you skip, you're not going to get bonus. Just click on spotlight 01, then click on continue. So term of service, accept all of these, then click on accept. So that's how you create your account. You can see here, that's how you create your account. You can go to you can just go to setting and set everything up. That's how you do it. So it's very simple. Make sure to use the referral code spotlight 01 so that you get more bonuses when you call. So also guys, make sure to follow this channel so that you can be able to get more earning apps like this. So make sure to follow this channel and comment what you think below.